Welcome, my friends, to our channel where we provide free and honest product reviews. I'm Bob.
And I'm Alex.
And together we are part of the review crew.
We'll review almost anything.
Quote on the almost.
Almost.
Today we're going to talk about hip or groin pain. Try the BraceAbility hip brace and groin strain wrap.
Yes.
So this is a new product.
Yep, by BraceAbility, yep.
And they make fine braces. We've reviewed many of their braces, and we've used many of their braces, so they do a good job.
This is one of the few nice braces I've seen for like hip or groin pain.
Yeah, you don't see braces for that.
No,
I mean,
typically back and whatever.
Yeah, it's a new, almost a new category in my mind because maybe they've had them, but I haven't seen them.
Sure.
So you want to do the price?
Yeah, $49.99. So I think, for what you're getting, this little roll here, I think that's plenty. $49.99. It's a new product, so there wasn't many reviews, and it's 79 inches long. So, and they say that fits up to a 52-inch hip.
Okay.
So 52 inches wide.
Like your waist.
Your waist, yep.
Yeah,
52-inch waist, yep. Yeah, I guess.
So, and it can be used for, like, if you have a hip flexor injury, which is the muscle on the front of your hip.
Yep.
It can use for a quad injury.
Yep.
Hamstring injury.
The pulled groin.
The pulled groin, which is often a lot of times the hip adductor muscle.
Sure.
So it can make up the groin.
I've used it with a guy. I think you were going to say it. Arthritis, just simple hip arthritis.
And how did he like it?
He thought it worked well, but he said putting it on for this is an older gentleman. He just said putting it on was a little
too much for him.
Too much
labor.
But I'll show you how easy it can be.
Okay, post pregnancy.
Yep, I think it just gives a little compression, for the SI joint.
Pubic symphysis, that's the pubic bone, which is where the pelvis comes together in the front.
Yep.
So
sciatic pain.
And some tendonitis and SI pain.
Yep,
I could definitely see how that would work on the SI pain too. So a lot of different things you could use it for.
Yep, the quality, the non-slip material here. It's not good. It doesn't move around, and you can be, as active as you want to be, and it's not slipping up or down. You don't have to readjust it. The customizable compression, which just means, when you're wrapping it on, you can really have it loose, you can have it tight, you can crank on it, you can do whatever you want to it.
Probably get to the point where it'd be almost too tight. I could see.
Oh yeah, I could see that. Have your wife crank on it, have your head pop off there. All right, so I'm just gonna demonstrate, putting it on here. So Bob, there's a card there. They have. Yeah. I'm gonna do the hip. They say this is for the hip flexor injury.
Yeah. So they got two different techniques here, and they take you through the steps 1 through 6.
Yep.
And it's pretty easy to understand. And then they have another one for the groin strain application. But you felt like they were pretty similar.
Yeah, they felt very similar.
Yeah.
What they do is it basically just puts your hip like in a flex position. Brings your hip forward. It's in that open position.
Sure. So you can't bring the hip back and jam the hip. And so it's in a relaxed position.
Yep. So it's basically when you walk, you'll feel like your leg's already coming forward by itself.
Sure.
Look how I can do squats with it on. It's not moving.
And then the other thing is, because it provides a little compression. Swelling, it's going to feel better.
Yep. Ultimately, it's a compression wrap. That puts your hip in a little better position. And if you get, it loosens up, you just grab it and you can tighten it again.
So my question to you is, do you think you could play an active sport with this? Probably not.
No, I think it's going to limit you a little too much to play.
You could lift weights with it.
You could certainly lift weights with it.
And you could maybe do something like golf.
You could probably
or something like that. But
I think you could even go out for a run with it on.
Okay.
But I don't think you're going to
be a high cutting sports or anything
football
like that.
or
soccer or anything like that. So.
When we talking real sports? Yeah. Soccer. Just kidding. There's soccer fans out there.
Well, some people don't even think biking's a sport because you're using a device. But
sure,
I don't know. But
yeah, we won't.
Now we just upset everybody.
There we go.
we got everybody out there.
There's 3 viewers left, so let's tell them our spiel.
By the way, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to us. And we have a website called
freeandhonest.com.
And we also will accept any of your products for review. Almost anything.
Yeah, almost anything, yeah.
We've even had to turn down a few.
Yep.
They got a little racy.
Even Bob and I have standards out there, so don't offend us.
Thanks for watching.
Thank you.